Welcome to our channel. Today we how to design a long-term wealth strategy, beginner guide step by step clearly. First, understand that building long-term wealth requires a clear strategy. Begin by assessing your current financial situation. Gather information about your income, expenses, debts, and assets. Identify your financial goals and what wealth means to you. Establish a timeline for achieving these goals. Next, create a budget to track your income and spending habits. Ensure you differentiate between needs and wants in your budget. Focus on reducing unnecessary expenses to free up more money for savings and investments. Start an emergency fund with 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. This fund will provide a safety net for unexpected financial challenges. Now, tackle any high-interest debts, such as credit cards. Paying off these debts can significantly improve your financial health. Once debts are under control, turn your attention to saving for retirement. Consider utilizing employer-sponsored retirement plans, like a 401k. If available, take advantage of matching contributions. Open an individual retirement account, or IRA, for additional savings. Next, educate yourself about different investment options. Learn about stocks, bonds, real estate, and other assets. Diversifying your investments can help mitigate risks. Set up an investment strategy that aligns with your risk tolerance and goals. Regularly contribute to your investment accounts. Consider dollar cost averaging to build wealth steadily over time. Revisit your financial goals and strategy at least once a year. Adjust your plans as your circumstances and goals change. Stay informed about market trends and economic conditions. This awareness can help you make strategic investment decisions. Continuously seek knowledge through books, courses, and financial advisors. Building long-term wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.